I am a pro Linux user and this distribution is one of the most unique I have tried. If you are looking to try something new with Linux that is not only cool looking but also has a lot to offer users of every type, Rhino Linux is sure to impress. ZDNet key takeaways. Rhino Linux is a ruling release Linux distribution based on Ubuntu that is available now and ready to press. It's beautiful and offers one of more useful command line package managers on the market. There are no GUI for installing software. If you are looking for a Linux operating system that has a unique and cool point of view, I suggest checking out Rhino Linux. It's a Ubuntu based ruling release Linux distribution, meaning all software is updated as soon as the developer pull out the new version. In other words, your desktop will always be up to date, and because of the way ruling releases work, you don't have to worry about doing major updates from version 1 to 2 or 10 to 11 or whatever would come next in a traditional approach. Also, the best Linux laptops, Rhino uses a modern take on the highly efficient and customizable XFCE desktop to help make the interface immediately familiar to anyone who logs in. You shall find a dock on the left edge of the screen that contains launchers for common applications, access to the application grid, and a handy search bar that allows you to quickly search for and launch any installed app you need. Normally, I am not a big fan of recommending the XFCE desktop to users without plenty of experience on either the Linux desktop or with enough know how to learn a new interface quickly. Thanks to myriad configuration options, XFCE can be a bit daunting. At the same time, the array of settings makes XFCE highly customizable, which is exactly what the Rhino developers did when they designed this desktop. For those who want a desktop that makes short work of accessing files, the Rhino developers have added a really nifty tool to the top bar. Shall find a listing of some folders you have in your home directory: files, document, music, pictures, video. If you click on one of these entries, you shall see a list of the most recently accessed files within the directory. Click on the file you want to open with the default associated application. Remember when I said Rhino is a Ubuntu based distribution? It is but you would not know it. The big tell is that the Rhino's OPTS for the Textile package manager over the traditional apt-get. That's not to say apt-get is not on the system. It is, but with Rhino Linux, there a much easier path to getting the software you want installed. Speaking of installing software, that is where Rhino does do itself a disservice. There is no GUI for software installation. Yep, other than upgrading the OS, Rhino software installation is all command line. Also, the two tricks that make using the Linux command line a lot easier. Fret not, however, as the Rhino developers have gone out of their way to simplify the installation of packages.